be giving you a tip to make egg fried rice. Basically, what happens if you want to make two different rice like egg fried rice or veg fried rice? So easily you can turn it out, divide the fried rice, veg fried rice into two parts, and you can do that. So just check out the ingredients and the recipe. Now for fried rice, I have started to heat up the pan. Add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Add a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Many people don't add it. I'm just adding it because it gives a very nice flavor to the dish. Add the garlic paste and the grated ginger. And saute for around 40 seconds. Add the onions, the spring onions, the white part of the spring onions. And saute for another minute. Everything has to be cooked on a high flame. Add the peppers. Saute for a minute. Add the carrots, the finely chopped carrots. Add the finely chopped cabbage. And again cook it for another 2 minutes or so. Once the vegetables are done, just add a tablespoon of vinegar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and mix it well. After 1 to 2 minutes, add the cooked rice. This is around a cup of cooked rice. Don't let the sauces in the vegetables dry completely. It will help the rice to mix with the vegetables. Add little bit of salt for the rice. Soy sauce has salt into it. For spiciness, add around a tablespoon of red chili sauce. Now mix it well. While serving, garnish with spring onion and it is ready to serve. Now for egg fried rice, I have started to heat up the pan. I'll add around 1 tablespoon of oil. Just a little bit. And egg I have taken 3 eggs. You can take it as per your desired quantity. I have mixed salt to it and I've just roughly whisked it. So I'll put it in the pan. I'll add sauces to it. If you're just preparing egg fried rice, so you can just prepare the omelette, the scrambled egg, and you can add in the vegetables. But here I am adding to the rice, the veg fried rice, which is what I have prepared. So I'll just add all the sauces so that it gets the taste of it. A teaspoon of all the sauces near about. And then now I'll just cook it. Just roughly mix this. And after it is done, I'll just mix with the rice. No need to overcook it. The omelette is ready. So I'll just mix it with the rice. If you have liked this video, click on like and share and subscribe for more delicious recipes or delicacies on the plate.